Now I want to highlight a Pandas function that I use all the time on client projects, and that is the crosstab function. It's really awesome for summarizing data and finding relationships between variables. So let's dive into an example. So we have this data that we're going to read into a data frame. We have name, gender, department, and tenure and number of years. So we're going to read it into a data frame that we're calling df. And so let's say we want to explore how many of each gender work in each department. Because this is a small data set, you could maybe look at this and come up with that answer on your own. But when you're working with hundreds of thousands or even millions of data points, that's simply not possible. And that's where the crosstab function can be really helpful, because we can use this to create a contingency table, which helps us understand the frequency distribution of categorical variables. So let's create a variable called crosstab result. And we're going to use the crosstab function with our existing data frame. And you see what we're going to pass in is the data frame columns that we want to build that contingency table on. So we're going to use gender and department. And then when we print that result, you can see it gives us this really nice table where now we can easily see how many males and how many females work in each department. So this is a really great way to explore really large data sets. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and leave a comment letting me know what topic I should cover next.